sick, I can get coffee too. But it's good to see you all together again. It's been a while, you. I've all been busy with assignments.
True. Been a while, Mr. Daruma.
Yeah, it's a good feeling. Go out the street and blaze.
Me can attest to that. It's like the sun is closer to earth now.
I don't think Miss Bushes can relate to that. What do you put it? She's skating fresh off of the ice.
Not the ice. Europe just as hot as Jamaica, maybe even hotter.
Wow.
That's why you come back in a heat.
Oops, sorry.
Are you certain that you both don't need a little extended leave so you can get the heat out of your system?
Yeah, cause it's like the AC stop work star.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. Pops,
What?
you see where you start?
What me do? Was it me who said that somebody came home in heat?
Wait till later here.
What will happen later?
Ooh.
So you think it up
So when I hold you to now. Hello. Pops, we can get to agency business, please.
Anyway, I actually don't mind the icebreaker, you know. It kind of helps dispel the heat.
You're not going done, right?
Oh, okay. Let's get to it. On the lighter side, how was the trip?
Actually, it was really great. As I was telling Raymond, I have some things that I want to implement, but I have to talk to JCF first.
Okay.
But tell her we wish her luck with that.
Maybe we shouldn't bash it until we speak to them.
Till you speak to them, call me know who not approach them.
But this need a collaborative effort. We alone can't do it.
So this have something to do with the training we're gonna do?
Yeah, you feel we, you know? Cause it kind of sound one-sided.
Patience, little one. Patience. We're getting there. Why don't you continue, Miss Bushes?
Okay, so the training, as you know, is in an international community outreach, and it looks at some of the common issues that some of the young youths face right around the world.
Okay. That clear.
No matter the language barrier, there is one thing most of these communities face.
Poverty.
Exactly. Which ultimately leads to
Crime and violence.
good. You know with me? No, another thing that is most common in these countries is that the government is more reactive than proactive.
And that is why all countries seem to have this problem.
Which is why we have this program.
No disrespect to the program still. But I think it's a waste of time.
Why you say that?
Because, young Jenna, poverty was created to control the masses.
I don't understand what you say. That means we can never get rid of poverty?
I mean, I believe that.
Come on, Angie. The political system that govern the world now. The one of them answer to a higher power and them call the shots. Why you think politicians always tell you about we love the poor?
And this is why you have a body that helps to create change.
You really said change can make things.
Me too.
Try know. Poverty profitable to some people, you know. Why you think them always try sell it to the people? Because them make money off it.
Raymond, me more optimistic than that. The program here teach me so we can eradicate poverty as a team.
Me far more realistic than that. Come see decades of them program there and nothing change.
That's why we need younger generation with fresh mind for consider them something here.
What you really say? That are just youth attack. A long time you see them thing I go on, man, how you feel like?
Raymond, stop telling the girl that every generation have something to offer.
Of course, every generation have something to offer. But how we see man take the baggage of the past and carry and give them and carry it forward. Waste of time to tell them.
I can't leave you children alone for a moment. Socrates, young boy. Everybody has something to offer. But you know what? I would like to hear what Angie has to say.
Thank you, Pops. Okay, let's use this as an example. The incident with the in-drive and the killing of the woman.
That they're all over the news.
Yeah, and them all the driver too.
Correction. We held the driver and turned it over to them.
And as usual, them slow to the task.
Please, make me finish. So, immediately our government went into an emotional state. And instead of finding a solution to prevent all of this from happening, he went right back into reactive instead of proactive.
Angie, I don't think that was an unreasonable request, you know.
Me agree. Them for ban them.
You know that easy, you know. Cause see, them couldn't even get in contact with none of the person who run the companies until she did.